Hello everyone, welcome to Boozy TV, the official channel of Boozy, world's first social drinking platform. A channel where we talk about our product features, inside stories, business insights and much more. My name is Susovan, I am your host and also the co-founder and chief product officer of Boozy. Today, I'll be talking about a very important aspect of Boozy, and that is alcohol delivery and how we will be ensuring the best in class delivery service on Boozy. Now, at Boozy, one of our main focus is convenience and availability of your favorite alcohol brands at your doorsteps. And hence, our priority is hyper-local home delivery system at the best rates possible, while ensuring that you get tamper-proof and safe delivery of your ordered bottles. Because as customers, we are extra cautious when it comes to buying alcohol, aren't we? So we at Boozy also take our delivery process very seriously. And to ensure this, we have partnered with some of the best delivery partners in the country who cater to some of the biggest e-commerce and online delivery brands in India. And one of them is Cap Technologies. Cap Technologies is one of the fastest growing B2B delivery service with vast experience and tech-enabled one-stop solutions. They offer GPS-enabled live tracking systems so that customers can track their delivery in real time for peace of mind. We are integrating Cap Technologies delivery and tracking solutions on Boozy for the best delivery experience to our users. And to talk about it in details and to address some of the queries that you have in mind, we have with us today Mr. Rupesh Sharma. He is the Senior Manager Operations at Cap Technologies. Hello Rupesh, welcome to Boozy TV. Thanks for taking out time and joining us to share your expertise and services with our audience on Boozy TV.
Hello.
So Rupesh, we all know that the customers today demand fast deliveries. So how does Cap Technologies enable such quick deliveries to the customers? What is the tech or the system behind it?
So at Cap Technology, we have designed our system in such a way that machine and human work together to enable fast, on-time and quality services. So if I talk about the e-commerce players like Flipkart, Amazon, where delivery is set for same-day delivery, where we have entire day and maybe it is scheduled for next day. So we have enough time to cater those delivery on a different platform. But if I talk about the food, beverages, medicines, where we have a time-bound deliveries. So the time is the most important factor for any company. So we have designed that one model that we call rider allocation model, where in this model we allocate deliveries to riders with specific to their area, zone and the fixed distance which they need to cover. So they can directly deliver the item from pickup point to customer point. The allocation of number of deliveries to riders totally depend on the number of orders in that particular zone.
Okay.
So we have calculated that in such a way that particular rider should get maximum number of orders, or he should be able to deliver to the customer with a certain time bound, which are the SLA specific to those deliveries. So we have our expertise team, that ground team, which help us to identify the zone analysis, data study based on the traffic and all other things, all other factors. So we have designed our system with this specific model.
So that's really great to know, like how these all things work. Now, one of the concerns that users always have in mind when ordering anything online is that will the product reach them safely without tampering? So can you share how Cap Technologies handles this issue?
Yeah, sure. In Cap Technology or maybe any other platform that customer have this issue, and the current scenario is also specific to this COVID, the customer are more looking to the safety of product, that how this product is going to deliver to them. So in CAPT, that Cap Technologies, we prefer to the training of riders. So we have specific teams. We have designed a ground team and that trainer module to the riders, so that riders can understand the feasibility and the sense of this situation which is currently going on. So, and we have also designed the some contract to pay the loss to company for riders. If any mishappening happen purposefully by the rider, and we found that a rider is somehow involved in this, so we have this policy as well. But we prefer that rider should go through the proper training module, total channels, what are the specific requirements of that particular product with us, and certain ways. And I'm very glad to announce that till now, with hyperlocal model specific to hyperlocal deliveries, we don't have any such incident till date. So we are free, right?
That's really great, and I'm sure it takes a lot of process and things like guidelines in place, which the riders go through. Sure. So I think
right. So we have certain policies to define this.
Nice. So you touched upon it briefly. So I also have a very important question in that direction. Is that in the current times, that is during this tough times that we are all in because of COVID-19, what are the specific steps that are being taken to ensure rider safety, as well as following the guidelines during pickup and drop, and ensuring that the safety is passed on to the customers as well?
So at CMT, we have taken all the necessary steps, precaution to this pandemic COVID-19 to run the business smoothly. We have made SOPs as per the government guidelines, where we are training all the riders to follow the issue guideline, which includes checking the body temperature twice in a day, and wearing face masks regularly, hand gloves, daily sanitization of workplace, riders, vehicles also it's includes. And there is new concept we have introduced, that contactless delivery. So where we are providing customer to a doorstep delivery, where we drop that product to the customer doorstep, and we just inform that we are dropping here. So this is also we tried. And this COVID-19 situation, we have analyzed certain things. Like we all know that how much difficulties everyone business is facing during this pandemic. But with specific to logistics, because we have a certain other verticals also where we are using our fleet to deliver medicines and essential services. So we have that expertise from day itself, when that government imposed this issue, the lockdown. So we have that expertise as well with us, that we have throughout delivered the essential services and medicines to the customer. So this also benefits us. So these are the basic factors which we follow, that we should tackle the situation as per the government policies, alongside with our own expertise to train riders in such a specific manner so that they can deliver easily and safely to the customer.
So Rupesh, as a delivery expert, as you mentioned that you have many other verticals and you have operations like which is pan India in many locations. What is your opinion about alcohol delivery in India? Like, is it the same like delivering other products like groceries or medicine, or are there some specific regulations or logistic requirements from your end?
It will be definitely different with other deliveries like food and the medicines and other e-commerce products. There will be definitely a difference. So I think alcohol delivery is not very new to India. But yes, for better customer experience and across India delivery, it is new. Most of the states in India have found their ways to deliver alcohol at their home, but most of them are the government websites, apps. A few of them are the like BevQ, Hipar. These are the players who were delivering in the Jharkhand and Odisha, and recently Zomato and Swiggy also started. So I think most likely the delivery may be similar to food or grocery, but in terms of security, in terms of compliances, there will be a challenge which we need to take care. And one factor which I also found, that I think by studying the other government policies regarding this and the compliances issues, that there are few factors like the ID proof verification, which we not take in the food deliveries and other medicine deliveries. And another factor is the age verification is also come from the compliances perspective. So these are the few steps which one should take at the start of delivering these items.
So Rupesh, like we are now starting our operations in few cities, which will be hyper local, as you mentioned. It will be from some store and delivering to the customer, and there will be multiple orders. And we are also hoping that the growth will be exponential. So there will be a lot of orders handling at the same time. So how are you planning to handle all these dynamically, and as the growth as it scales, how do you plan to do this?
So we have enabled these things with our tech. So we have planned. There is very factors like weather forecasting, multiple order delivery, dynamic order delivery where the customer wants in some specific time limit or there is some specific SLAs to deliver. So we have enabled this with our tech. So we have some option. We have given the options to customer that they can choose the time and they can see if the weather is not right or there raining is outside. So there are the factors which includes the time limit and they are the part of the SLA, so that a customer also understand that there is some rain outside or there is some issue with weather. So he or she will get the product in a more than 10 minutes, or including like if we talk about that normal SLA is 30 minutes or 40 minutes. So there could be delays for 50 minutes or maybe another 10 minutes for them.
Mm-hmm.
Rest in CABT, we are ensuring that quick and safe delivery for the customer.
So great. Thanks a lot, Rupesh, for sharing such insights regarding delivery and the tech and the processes behind it with all of us here. I'm sure our audience will find it very interesting and will understand how we are enabling the industry-leading delivery experiences when it comes to alcohol delivery for our users.
Same here.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed the brief discussion with our partner CAP Technologies, and you can now be rest assured that Boozy is working towards providing a great delivery experience which is fast and safe by deploying the best technology and ecosystem available in India. We will be bringing more such technology and partnership talks here on Boozy TV. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we drop our new videos on the channel. You can also follow us on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, where we keep you updated on what's going on in Boozy regularly. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers from Boozy.